Okay everyone, this is about the split level family tiny house with dimension for the length around 13.6 and for the height of this tiny house around 2.7 meter. Okay, we can see about the outside of this tiny house. This is about the tiny house on wheel. It's very long tiny house with several room. Especially this tiny house has split level of the floor leveling and room arrangement right there. You can see for the another side, it has several window in the ground floor on the first floor itself, and we can see about the right side, it has small room. But what's the purpose of the small room on the right side? We can explore for the interior on the interior session anyway. Okay, we can look for the interior first. Okay, everyone, this is about the interior of this tiny house. It has rooms arrangement. There is dining room, living room, and it has kitchen with a minibar space table with a L-shaped kitchen table and cabinet on the both of this kitchen table with a refrigerator space right there. Okay, we can see for the another side of this interior. We can look around for the another side. It has living room with a small sofa with capacity around 3 seat capacity of this sofa, and it has TV cabinet and the credenza table right there, and it has a cabinet table on the both of this TV cabinet. Okay, we can look for the another room before this for the another room right there. Okay, we can go to the top side of this tiny house. It has small bedroom at a loft bedroom right there. This is both loft bedroom with small cabinet right there, and it has curtain on the front of the bed, and we can see around for the next loft bed over there on the right side, and it has small and length window to maximize the daylighting on the loft bed itself. Anyway, we can see for the another loft bed right there. So for the access to the loft bed, it should prepare for the stair to go to the upper position. It has loft bed and small cabinet right there, and it has small window also, same as the left side cabinet, left side loft bed, and it has curtain also in front of this loft bed anyway. Okay, we can look for the another room anyway. We can look for the another room in this space. This is about the bathroom. Okay, this is about the bathroom, and we can see bathroom itself. It has compact arrangement of the bedroom. It has a washer machine right there, and it has a bathtub. It has a closet, and it has two unit of wastafel with a mirror, with a length mirror, and it has two-sided window or three-side window in the left side, front, and rear position of the window right there. We can look for the wastafel over there, and I think it's so luxury bathroom in this tiny house. So I like the arrangement of the placement of the furniture fixture in this bathroom especially. So it make a large space. It's make a spacious space on the bathroom itself anyway. Okay, we can look for the another room right there. We can see for the another room on the bottom of the loft bed on the right side anyway. Okay, we can go to this loft bed. Okay, I think this is so family friendly tiny house because it has small bedroom for the baby or children right there, and on the both have a small bedroom or small loft bed with a bunk bed system with children bedroom anyway, with small cabinet right there, small cabinet arrangement with small but length window right there, and it has exit access or daylighting window on over there, I mean, this is about the daylighting window, and this is about the big wardrobe to save to save the clothes of the children and the baby. Anyway, okay. For the summary, I mean this tiny house as family friendly. I mean this tiny house as family friendly for the small family, which is has the children and baby, and it has more one more room, especially for the love bed itself. Anyway, I hope it will be inspired to all of you, which is you still fine for buying the tiny house, or you uh, have a plan for build your own tiny house in your line. Anyway, okay. I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, to give you insight and inspire about the tiny house design, room arrangement, and many more of this content. And just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.